The guys over at deBridge has announced their new branding. So they basically rebranded their whole new look and feel. And today I'm going to walk you through their brand new app, how you can earn the most amount of points while spending, boom, least amount of fees, because that is how you're going to generate most of the points, but we're going to maximize it. All right. And if you're already not farming it, like what are you doing? If you're not farming it enough, we need to farm it way more. Boom, 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 because it's in the early August. Okay, the airdrop is planned for early August. So the token symbol is BBR. All right. So we're gonna get as much of this as possible. So here's what we're gonna do. This was their old app. This is how it looked, and this is their new app. So this is what we are going to cover. So yeah, let's get started. All right. So if you go into this is the video you're watching, right? So if you go into the description of this video, you're going to find the link right here. Okay, I'll put it on the top for you to sign up. You're gonna click that and land right here. Okay, you're gonna connect your wallet just like that. It's pretty simple. Okay, this is how it's currently looking, and we'll go through this one by one. Okay, so the first one is market, right? So this basically is like bridging, right? So you select the chain here from Ethereum or Base or Linea, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Optimism, Solana, and all that stuff. So you're gonna just choose a chain there, choose a chain here. For example, let's say we are bridging 1 ETH from base to optimism, right? So you're just going to put one here. I just don't have anything in this wallet, but so you're just going to do that. And once that's done, you'll be able to click this confirm trade button and you're going to accept that in your wallet. You can also trade it to another wallet. So let's say you have Coinbase wallet, right? So Coinbase wallet, they support like basically major all the EVM chains, Solana and stuff. But let's say you have two different wallets. Let's say this is Coin, and you also have OKX wallet. You want to bridge from base to optimism that is stored in this OKX wallet. So in that case, you're just going to put the address here and then comes on the trade. So in this case, you're going to earn 430 points for this trade. This varies according to the balance that you choose to bridge in a single time. But here are some things that you need to keep in mind while doing this. Never ever, okay, never ever trade the same back and forth. Let's say I'm like trading 1/8 from base to optimism, right? So the next time, if I'm going from optimism to base, like when I'm actually farming it, I'm not talking about using it once in a while, right? I'm talking about doing this every single day. You're doing this daily because you want a maximum amount of points. So that way, to maximize the points, you should not bridge the same amount of quantity every single time because that is not what a user does. Okay, that is not what a normal user does. Okay, that's kind of looks like you're a bot and they'll cyber you and all that stuff. You'll just lose everything. So just don't do that. Another thing, yeah, it's pretty simple. Like it's pretty fucking simple to use. It's very fast and all that nice stuff. So let me cover the chains. Okay, let me cover the chains that you can use to earn the maximum points while keeping your fees to the minimum. So I like to trade between Optimism, Base, BNB, Polygon. Okay, I've also used Arbitrum, so you can use Arbitrum, Optimism, and you can also connect BNB to this. So one, two, three, four. All of these four chains, I like them. The fees are nice and low. If you are using Solana, go and download Soulflare. You're gonna download Soulflare wallet. Just type that shit here. Soulflare. Boom. You're gonna download this wallet. They have partnership, and you're going to get boom, 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 multiplier. Okay. So if you're let's say trading from Solana to Optimism or Solana to ETH, I hate ETH. If you're trying to farm, just stay away from ETH as much as possible. But let's say if you're trading from Solana to Polygon, that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna use this wallet, this thing, and you can trade if you can choose this, right? Where is that? Boom, boom, boom. You can put another address here and then trade it to that wallet because Solfair only supports Solana as its name suggests. And that basically covers everything in the market section. I already mentioned the chains that you're gonna use: Base, Optimism, BNB, maybe Solana once in a while, maybe Avalanche, Polygon, just basically use that. Okay, here are the strategies that you're going to use. Number one, you're going to just do some trades every single day. Number two, you're going to use it as a normal user. Boom, normal user, all right. I'm sorry for the handwriting, but these are the two strategies basically. Just don't look like a bot, that's it. And the second thing is limit. So this is basically like, let's say ETH is currently at 3356 3355, right? So let's say you want to bridge over USDC on Solana and buy some ETH on base. What you're gonna do? Let's say $1,000. Okay, and you don't want it to buy this at the current price. All right. So in that case, you can just change it. Okay, you can just change how much you want to pay. You can just put how much you want to pay here, and it will create what we call a limit order. Okay, basically from the normal trades that you do, like limit rates is the same thing, but cross chain. Basically, like this is chain one, let's say Solana, this is chain two, let's say base or Ethereum, and this is the bridge, right? So let's say this is the river, this is land, and this is the bridge. That is what deBridge is, hence the name. Basically, it helps you go from one chain to another, and that's basically it. And you can buy at limits here, and yeah, that's what limit is. You're just gonna put the balance here, sorry, the amount here, and then you're just gonna buy at this rate. Okay, you can change this. So let's say you wanna buy ETH is at 3,000. So you're just gonna put that. Here's how much you're going to receive, and you connect your wallet and you confirm the trade. Like that's it. There's nothing much to it. And going into the P2P, P2P means person to person if you don't know. Okay, here we are interacting when it comes to like limit and market. We are interacting with code, right? We are essentially interacting with code here. Okay, no human is involved there. But when it comes to P2P, you are directly interacting with person. So this is person one, this is person two. He has some ETH, he has some soul. He wants soul, he wants ETH. So what are they gonna do? Boom, you give this, you take this. That's it. So that's what P2P is. So let's say you wanna pay 100 bucks of USDC and you want to receive some base. So, and same, let's put 3,000 for example. And whoever has ETH on base and wants to sell it for what will we put? Okay, USDC on Solana. What are they going to do? For 3,000 was your asking price. So if they agree with this, they're going to give you the ETH and they're going to take the USDC. So that's market, that's limit, and that's P2P. You want to do all of these things just because you're farming it, okay? And here's what you're going to do now. You are going to click the link in the description, join if you haven't already, and start farming it. And now you are seeing some videos on your screen right now. If you haven't already started farming those airdrops that you are seeing on the screen right now, go click on the videos and start farming them. Okay, there are a bunch of videos. You can also go into my channel and watch those videos, and I really hope they help you. And yeah, you can drop a sub, like the video if you want to. Otherwise, just watch the videos and enjoy, and maybe or don't. Just make money and have fun.